Get your fucking hands off him now. Cheeky bastard. Who do you actually think you are, these James? Who do you reckon you are trying to take him off us? It's not happening. Simple. Yeah, you might have beat us 2-0 today, but you were lucky. We should have scored about 4 goals. This James, let me tell you the plan, yeah? He's going to AFCON, then he's coming back to us, and only us, and he's staying with us forever. And just a little bit of sweet talk is not going to manipulate it. He cannot be manipulated. He knows in his mind, he's thinking, he's saying to be saying, that fuck off now, you little muppet. Fucking cheeky bastard. Who do you think you are, actually? And what you've got to remember, Reece James, yeah, is if you do want him, 150 million minimum. Wait costs that much. Isak costs nearly that much. If you want our star man in die, bring the fucking money, mate. And if not, fuck off. Another reason why he's not going is because Keenan Dewsbury's injured, yeah? I don't know how long he's out for, Everton fans. We are in the mud right now, you know. We actually are. We've got KDH injured, Garner and Dye all going to AFCON. All of our best players are gone. They're gone.